Alrighty, now I'm going to be removing the front wheel. I'm going to start by removing the front wheel. I'm going to do more than that today. You're going to need to jack the bike up for this. I already did that. And the brake calipers are going to need to come off, but on both sides. But I did that as another part. So we're going to start by letting go of this axle pinch bolt right there. It's a 6mm Allen, so I'm just going to take that out. I already loosened it, so I'm just going to get the rest of it by hand. As you can see, brake caliper's already gone from this side too. Next up, I'm going to be removing the speedometer cable, which is lying under my foot there. I already took apart this, so it's already disconnected from the top part there. But just down in here, let's see if I can get a flashlight there. It hooks up right there. And I'm just going to slip a screwdriver up in here and get the speedometer cable off. Alright, with that one screw out, the speedometer cable comes unhooked from the wheel. Now we're going to be undoing the axle bolt. I already have the pinch bolt off, obviously. Don't lose this spacer here. Same thing as the back one. This just comes unscrewed. And then it just pulls out. I'll grab that spacer, and then the wheel just slides out like that. That's it. Brake rotors and all come with it. I just lost dropped a piece, but that's it for the wheel. Front wheel removal.